Riwruoge mag saga mag nyamburko mating'o jowuoth mayudo masira ibiro kawnegi okang' mager marom kod dereva kod weg gechego. Maeri noyangi e romo moriwo jokanyo e sekta mar wuoth e ng'iyo yore mag Bero Apeini ma pachoka kendo duoko chien masiche mag apaya. Jatend migawo mar wuoth Kipchumba Murkomen owacho ni gibiro bedo ka gichiwo tiegruok kinde ka kinde ne derepe mag gache mating'o jowuoth.
You know, people we've lost in road accidents. Yeah? But it is amazing that over a long period of time, somehow this has been normalized. So that we're like, this year they are now 4,000. Next year they are 5,000. You want to tell me that a driver who always drinks the entire year, that entirely the manager of that circle is not responsible? That the owner of the matatu is absolutely not responsible for hiring that person, and therefore we should not punish them? You see, in the rule of reward and punishment, you must look for where it pinches. If we only punish the driver, we will not create an avenue for responsibility on the persons who are managing and owning. So we must inflict some economical pain on the circle and the people managing so that we get a result, because that is where it matters.